Probably one of the most significant recently is a tract of land, 60 acres at the southeast corner of Airtex and I-45 North. We sold the 60-acre tract to Panattoni Development. The initial phase is going to be 486,000 square foot cross-dock distribution facility. Their intent is to build a LEED certified industrial property. There were a number of issues in terms of environmental. There was a lake at one time on the property and had been backfilled with a lot of trash, if you would, construction debris and so forth. And what the owners thought they had in terms of just a little bit of an issue turned out to be about 20 feet deep of stuff that had to be removed. It took us about 7 months from the time it went under contract to complete the due diligence and actually close on the property. At the present time, they're out there clearing the ground, and we expect to have product available by April of 2009. Well, the benefits are they get a major site with freeway exposure in a market that right now is very active. Land sites like this on the north side of town are becoming increasingly difficult to find. And that was really what appealed to them. This was a major site, major intersection. We have off-ramps of 45 and on-ramps right there as well. So ingress and egress is excellent to the site, and as I say, Panattoni was very excited to be able to lock in on this particular piece.